Hello guys, this is an overview of Smaac Steel ERP and how it can help your steel fabrication and PEB industry. It is an industry specific ERP solution designed for pre-engineered buildings, heavy steel fabrication and all other types of steel fabrication. We have more than 60 plus clients all over India and few international who are already using this product and satisfied and achieving a lot of output out of it. We will discuss that later. So it's better to dive into further details and understand how the ERP can help you improve your working and all the things. So first I would like to take you to the ERP dashboard. So now this single dashboard tells you everything about your industry. No need to call your people what was yesterday's dispatch, what was yesterday's production, are the targets achieved, what things I need to approve, no need to open emails and everything. Now what the ERP, the beauty about this dashboard is everything is at a single place. So you can check your targets, whether they are achieved or not. You can set your single day targets, what is the production order and dispatch targets. These rings will be automatically filled. You can check your day summary. You can select any day you want, how much was the production done. You can open your recent forms. You can check your pending approvals, all the approvals. You can just click and do the approvals. Let's say you have any PO approval. You do not need to check the email. You do not need to manually do that. Just open it, click on approve and done. Automatically the person will get an alert on his email, WhatsApp that the PO has been approved by you. You will also get an alert that the PO has been submitted. So do not worry, even if you do not open the mobile app, you will get a WhatsApp alert. So you have your previous month. Let's say I want to check any data. I can select today, previous month, previous year, this fiscal year, yesterday. Let's say I want to check my yesterday's dispatch. I can just select yesterday. It will show me what all are my orders, what all are my production, what is my dispatch. And let's say I want to check what was dispatched. So I will just click on this button and it will show me all my dispatches, what is the job ID, what is the weight and everything. So obviously we maintain secrecy also, and a lot of places the client name will be hidden. This is to make sure that the data is not spread within the complete company. And yeah, we have an admin console where you can control who can see what. That is for obvious. So I will not cover a lot of things here since it might take a lot of time from this video. So you can see yourself that it covers pretty much everything: your average supply rate, average purchase rate, what was the freight which costed me during the dispatch, how many vehicles, what was the maximum freight of the vehicle. Let's say it is showing 50,000 here. What was the purchase bills for the last month, finished stock, and what is the finished stock. I can just click and check. I can also check godown wise. Let's say I have 3-4 godowns. I can check godown wise what is the finished stock. I can check total payments received, how many inquiries are going, how many were won, how many were lost, leads, active jobs, what all are going, and what is the status. This is pretty cool. So if you go to the active job status, it will show you everything. What is the order weight, bomb weight, production weight, when the production started, what was the production balance, what is the dispatch bomb weight, what is the gross weight, which means the actual kata weight, when the dispatch started, what is dispatch balance. And the most sexy part, the dispatch ready. How much material is ready for dispatch? So if I go to the bottom and I can see, 619 tons is the material ready for dispatch. I can simply take actions from this report and initiate further tasks. I can check my dispatch statistics. How am I doing this year versus last year? What is the material receiving? If I go to click on the graph, I can see that I purchased raw materials of 6 crore 77 lakhs in the previous month. I can check my top clients, who are my top clients, who are my top vendors, what is the consumables trend going on, like how much I am purchasing, how much I am issuing, what is the price trend. Let's say I want to check the raw material. Quantity went a lot higher, but the price was low. So this is a smart purchase. When the price was low, you purchased higher quantity, and when the price again increased, you purchase your standard quantity. Also, you can see if there is any problem in the jobs. Currently, I do not see any problem. So you can see the erection status, what is the erection weight, how much, in which job ID, what structure percentage, and everything is done. So like you can see here, 62% and 46% is done, 82% structure is done. So everything visible in this single dashboard. So now I will further go to the ERP. and in this you can see all your things. Let's say I want to see my sales order, so I can just select my sales order, and let's say 9232, and I can open the sales order, and it will show me everything. Who is the sales executive, who is the coordinator, how much hot rolled, and everything. If I click on print, I can check the preview, and it will show me what all is the sales order, what are the accessories, what is the weight summary 176 tons, what is the freight cost, what are the erection charges, and everything, what is the commitment of tonnage. Basically it includes everything whatever is needed in this industry. And now the best part is, let's say you have mentioned the weight as 176 tons, automatically your BOM will not be imported more than 176 tons. So that is the way the ERP works. You can control everything. The BOM can be imported very easily. You can just click and select and your BOM will be imported. You can check your status. Let's say I want to check my status of any job ID. Let's say open the same job ID. Let's open 9323 and click on refresh. And it will show me the complete status of my job. Let's say this is a dummy data. So it is showing me what is the BOM quantity, what is the shipment quantity, what is the production quantity, what is the dispatch quantity. Let's open any other job. So let's take any other job ID and let's see if there is any data in it. So yeah, you can see here what is the BOM quantity, what is the production quantity, what is the dispatch quantity. You can see the quantities here, and here you can see the BOM weight and production weight and dispatch weight. At the bottom you can see the summary, rigid, connection, hot rolled, accessories, fasteners, others. These summaries also you can change, categorize as per your company's need. Also the best part is you can directly open the drawings also. Let's say I click on B1, I can see all the drawings for related to B1 stringer beam, B1 stringer beam revision 0, the BAK, the DWG and the PDF. I can just double click and open the PDF file also. So basically everything at single place. I want to check my rafters. Let's say I will just type rafter here. So there is no rafter. Let's say I will type another part. So it is showing me the another part. So everything is visible. You can simply click on export to Excel and done. So the single reports gives you a lot of things. You can check your drawings. There is drawings also. These drawings can be checked on the mobile phone also. You have your job status. Let's say I am missing my deadlines and I want to check the job timeline. I can see the job timeline, what is going on in which client, which order, what is happening. So it is telling me when the GA was submitted, GA approval, production start, production end, everything. And the best part is you will automatically get WhatsApp alert if anything is delayed, and all these dates are not coming from any manual entry. Everything is picked from the daily entries being done. Like whenever the production is started, the production start date will show it to you. Okay, so same way you have a lot of reports. We have more than 300 plus reports which you can use. So let's say you want to check the complete summary of your production. So you can just open the job summary and it will show you everything. And whatever is the status, what is erected at site, what is received at site, what is dispatch ready. Now the beauty is this, what you are seeing erected at site is directly coming from the mobile app entry. So as soon as your site engineer ticks that these parts are erected, this value will come automatically. So no need to gather this data, copy from this Excel and all those things. Okay, so yeah, that is the beauty. Okay, and now let's say we have another things also. You can check your job deadlines, you can track anything. Let's say I want to see what will happen when. Okay, so if I'm missing any deadline or not. So if I go to my calendar view of this checklist, basically you can customize this checklist as per your requirement, and based on this checklist you can check what is going on. So as you can see, it is showing me that what all things I have missed. So as you can see, this is rejected, this is completed, project attachment, these are GA submission I have to do. If I click on them, I can open further details, and all these data are coming from the checklist and it is showing you in the calendar view. So you can check what is the today's work, today's deadlines, and all the things combined into one. So this is basically your job calendar. And the best part, again, it is sending you WhatsApp alert whenever, as soon as the deadline comes, or 3 days before that deadline. So it's not like you have to open this, but that's the best part. So yeah, you can check your daily erection also, you can check your QC also, and a lot of things are possible. You have your daily production report. Let's say I want to check my production report, so I can go to dispatch, production report. And let's say I want to check for last month. So let's go to previous month and click on refresh. Now I can see what is my H-beam, what is my fit up, welding, finishing, date wise. So that is the beauty. And the main part is all this data is not coming from it is not coming from a lot of data entry. How this data is coming is, this is coming very easily. Let's say you want to do the production entry. So you can just go to production entry. You can select your job ID. Let's say we take a job ID 9340 and we select our stage. So whatever stage, let's say if whatever stage the data is pending, I can just do the production entry very easily. Let's say if there is any material in fit up, currently there is nothing, but what we have to do in reality is just tick and add it to the bottom, and that's how the production entry will work. So it's very easy, it's not cumbersome. You can see everything in a single go. Everything is tick and add. Once the BOM is imported from the Excel, everything is very easy. So how these things work is, your sales order is done. Let me show you the flow chart. So we follow this basic flow chart, but this is not an in-depth flow chart. This is just a basic working. So once the BOM is imported, all the production, all the dispatch, everything happens based on that BOM itself. So no need to worry about different areas and all those things. Okay. So yeah. So let me show you another good feature. So we have this system. Yeah. So I will show you some other things. So this is how the mail will go if you upload the drawings. So these are quite good emails. Everything is involved. What is the phase? What are the remarks by the design team before uploading the BOM? What is the parts? What are the dates? Everything. So no manual emails, no manual WhatsApp alerts need to be sent. So let's say we talk about cutting. So cutting entry can be seen here. Like you can see the report. What is the total production? What is the plate efficiency? How much offcut was generated? And each plate by plate we are getting the efficiency. What are the offcuts? And again, all this does not need to be entered manually. It can be imported also, and these child parts can be taken from the Tekla BOM file also. If you are using Tekla, you can check your graphical 3D graphs for what is the production this year versus last year. And now I was talking about the QR code thing. So this is another thing which we have developed. I will just show you a quick demo here. Yeah, so I will show you a quick demo out here. So you can see this is the feed from my tablet. So I will open the QR scanning form. So let me just go to the form. This can be done from the mobile, tablet, whatever you are using. So I have a sample QR sticker out there. So you can see this is the sample sticker. So if I scan this sticker, automatically it is showing me what is the part, what is the party name, RJ Trading, panel shutter it is P1, and the quantity is 750. How many parts are loaded, how many parts are received at site. So that's the beauty about this. Now both the parts are actually scanned by the site engineer. The loading is scanned by the loading person, and the received at site is scanned by the site engineer. And then there will be further stages for it, which will involve, like, let's say the further stages will be erected at site, and QC, QR, and a lot of things can be done. It can be customized as per your requirements. Many companies have set their own stages for which they scan at different stages. So yeah, that was about QR scanning. And yeah, so yeah, you have your site status also. You can check pretty quickly. It is showing you in a graphical way what is the erection quantity, what is the dispatch quantity, what is the BOM quantity. You can monitor your complete erection also. So it is this is showing you what is the work done planned versus what work actually is done. Now this tracking is a lump sum tracking where you enter the daily work done, but initially you mention the planning. So based on that, it automatically tells you whether we are going off the speed, or like whether we need to hurry up, or what is the things. So yeah, you can put your labels on the purchase items also. You can check your raw material stock in the mobile also, and you can do the approvals. You can get WhatsApp alerts. Let's say this is a small sample alert for the dispatch. So daily you will get a dispatch report on your WhatsApp. What is the vehicles, what are the weight, what is the invoice amount. Another good thing is again the inquiries. So you can see that all the inquiries, what was the complete status for this particular week, how many inquiries I lost, how many inquiries I won, everything coming to you in a single WhatsApp. Isn't it pretty cool? So that's the power of ERP. It gathers all the data, gives you updates, allows your employees to spare some time. So the main benefit is that these people can now spend more time on actual working on the floor, actually solving issues and not just generating reports. In a steel fabrication industry, around 60% of the employees' time goes into just making the reports, tracking the part, updating the production quantity, updating the dispatch quantity, and all these things. Now all these things are gone with these solutions. Since let's say I make a packing list. So as soon as I make a packing list, I have to just, how the packing list is made is you just have to scan the parts. Once you have put the sticker, whenever the loading is done, you can ask your person to use the mobile app and load the parts. Okay, so when he is loading the parts, he is scanning all the parts, and as the scanning is done, your packing list is automatically made. So no issues, no wrong parts sent, no RF11 instead of RF1 going, and all those buggy simple issues, your site people complaining that I have received this instead of that, and all those issues. So that's the power of the QR code, and many of our clients have almost got their dispatch errors to zero because of this QR code system. Even if you do not use the QR code system, our packing list system already prevents 99% of the issues. So then there is tally integration. Let's say we have tally integration also. So let's say you have your bills, so you can just click on tally sync and automatically all your bills will go to the tally. So this is a one-click system and everything will be made sure. Let's say I want to check this receiving, I can just click on the doc preview and I can check what material I have received from what is the cost of this material and everything. Even it tells you the excess percentage. So as you can see at the bottom, it is showing you that the calculated weight versus the theoretical weight difference. Okay, and you can integrate it with tally also. Okay, and all the POs, MRNs, all the store work, material issue, job wise tracking, you can see. Even it tells you the costing report. Let's say I want to check the project cost report, I can check the complete project cost report, what is the order weight, what is the BOM weight, what is the production weight, now what is the billed amount, and what are the payments received, what is the transportation cost, plates cost. Now these all costs are actual, these are coming from the actual database and no manual entry is needed. As soon as the plates is utilized for a particular job, it records. What is the coil sheeting cost, other raw material, how much is paid to erector, consumables cost. This we are averaging out. If you are not issuing the consumable job wise, we calculate automatically the average cost and tell you. And finally, what is the margin you are achieving, what is the margin percentage and all those things. So complete costing report, you get to know your real stats, whether you are taking any profit in this job or loss. A lot of times the material is purchased, it keeps like it is wasted. Instead of taking profit out of the job, you are making loss out of the job. Many times you are having issues that your team member has left and now the reporting has been closed. So with the ERP, the benefit that you get is everything is standardized. You just have to put the production entry, you just have to create the packing list, and all the reports will be auto generated. So that's the best part. No dependency. You can even generate the quotations, you can even generate the erection contracts, you can keep a complete track of your erection billing. You get the reports, what you have paid to the erector and what you have taken from the client. So these are some of the reports which every management is interested. So these reports are also available. You can create your challans, you can create your e-invoices, you can create your e-way bills. Let's say you are sending some material. Currently most of the companies are generating the e-way bill by going to the platform. with this system itself, you are wasting around 30 minutes, 40 minutes per day of some of the people. So that is directly saved. In our ERP, just a single click and the e-way bill is generated, the e-invoice is generated, and a lot of things. So yeah, job work. If you are into job work, your job work statements, how much material was sent, how much material was received, everything is being tracked with parts and all. So there are a lot of things which even I cannot cover in this short video. So everything is covered, and let's say so basically we have CRM and sales, design, production, dispatch, projects, purchase and store, WhatsApp, document management, dashboards, and a lot of things. So I'm pretty sure I cannot show everything, and this video is now becoming very long. So I hope you like the video, and I hope it tells you what is the solid benefit of having an industry specific ERP solution. So instead of going with general solutions, instead of modifying your tally or going with those high-end crores of softwares, what in reality happens is with many softwares is in the end you just happen to use the accounting and the purchase modules from these softwares, and eventually your production, your order and your tracking and all is being done in reality on the Excels. Our software is designed in such a way that each individual can use it. Even who has not used any computer application before can easily use it, since all the forms are designed for his specific usage. This is not a generic ERP. You can basically manage all your data at a single place, all your documents, no Google Drive, no multiple Excels, everything. So even after 10 years, everything will be here only. You get your security, since it is a cloud-based application, there are double authentication method. You can get your backups, everything is secure. So you can operate this ERP from anywhere. You can use your mobile phone to track things. So these features, once you start using, you cannot live without them, and that's the beauty. And yeah, that's all about. So I can keep on saying so, but that is it for this particular demo. I hope you liked it. If you want to know further about the ERP, we can have a personal demo session. Contact on the mentioned email ID and we can have a further discussion.